The Ministry of Human Rights also launched Pakistan's first National Action Plan on business and human rights, and I'm proud to say we are the first country in South Asia and the third in the entire Asia for having a national action plan on business and human rights, because this plan includes financial transparency and anti-corruption as a priority area. Our National Action Plan on Business and Human Rights provides a solid foundation for steering Pakistan's economic development while placing human dignity at its center. It includes critical recommendations such as the financial transparency of companies who are being considered when they make bids for government projects, and a steering committee of the Business and Human Rights National Action Plan has now been notified, and we will be meeting this month so that we can begin fast-tracking implementation of this plan, which we see as a vital tool, not just in furthering human rights of all members of our society, but also fighting corruption actively at the state and business enterprises level.